In this lesson, we are going to be able to differentiate unicellular and multicellular organisms. So we talked about the cell theory and that all organisms are made up of cells. The cell is the basic unit of organization for all organisms, and that all cells come from pre-existing cells. Remember the 7 characteristics of all living things, okay? So they need to reproduce, they need to grow and develop, they need to use energy, they need to respond to their environment, they need to maintain homeostasis. And we've mentioned already the difference between a prokaryotic cell and a eukaryotic cell, okay? So over here we have the prokaryotic cell where the DNA is not in a membrane-bound organelle, okay? So it's just kind of hanging around inside the cell. Where in the eukaryotic cell, chromosomes and the DNA are in a nucleus, which is a membrane-enclosed organelle, okay? So 2 big differences. And of course we know that we are a eukaryotic organism because eukaryotic cells are multicellular, okay? Where a prokaryotic cell are unicellular. So here we see a picture of a prokaryote, and you see that there are no defined organelles inside of that prokaryotic cell. But yet when you look at the eukaryotic cell, you see all these defined organelles inside the cell that all have special functions to help that cell carry on normal cell functions. So eukaryotic cells are more complex. They have cytoplasm and also organelles that are specialized in their structure and their function, and they're generally bigger than prokaryotic cells. And when a multicellular organism becomes bigger, it becomes more multicellular. So the cells will divide and divide and divide and divide, making more and more and more, not just grow bigger to take up more space. So now I hope you can identify the differences between single-celled and multi-celled organisms.